Hello friends, welcome to Education YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, you all are going to learn how to converse with any person. So friends, here is my friend Nitish, and now I'm going to converse with Nitish. And if you want to know, if you want to learn how to converse with any person, people, so guys, please try to watch this video till end because you are going to learn how to converse with any person. So let's start. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Nitish Nisad, and what's your name?
My name is Asutosh Pandey. Where are you from?
I am from Rudrapur. And where are you from?
I'm also from Rudapur.
Oh.
And Nitish, can you tell me how old are you?
I am just 19-year-old.
You are just 19-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing nowadays? You are studying, or you are wandering here and there, or you are earning money?
No, nowadays I am pursuing graduation and behind with joining English spoken class and computer class.
Okay, that's very nice. I think you are pursuing graduation, and with graduation, you are learning a new skill, just like spoken English and also computer courses.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's very nice. So, can you ask? You can also ask question with me. When I will ask question, also you can ask question to me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nitish, can you tell me how many members are there in your family?
In my family, there are 4 members.
There are 4 members.
Yeah.
Oh, including you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice.
And your family?
There are 6 members in my family, including me, just like my father, brother, sister, brother, and including me also.
You are a older brother? Yeah.
Both.
Both.
Yeah. So, Nitish, can tell me, you have said to me you are learning English and also computer course nowadays.
Yeah.
So, what are you learning in computer? Can you tell me, please?
Yeah. In
There are a lots of courses are available in computer. So, please tell me, give a name of your courses.
My course name is just like Triple C,
Yeah.
AFA,
Yeah.
and etc.
Just like you are studying triple C or area of A. Okay, that's very nice. So, guys, now I'm going to ask with Nitish some questions which you are watching here. So please watch till in. Nitish, can you tell me what is the importance of the English language? Because you have said to me nowadays you are learning, you are joining the spoken class, you are learning English language. So can you tell me what is the benefit of the English language?
Yeah, of course. In this modern generation, English is a demanding language.
Yeah, of course.
English is a very helpful for us because in these days, if you want to take a higher level education, then what you need English language. And if you want to job any kind of companies, then very need of English language. This way English is a very important for us and in this generation. So I am learning and try to speaking English.
So Nitish, I have a doubts. You are learning English nowadays, and you are saying that if we have English knowledge, then we can join any companies. We
Yeah,
can
yeah.
earn much money. So can you tell me, without English, we cannot earn money or not? Please tell me.
Without English we earn money, but not in a companies. Without English we cannot earn big money because if you want to business any if you want to doing business any kind of business, there was a very necessary for English. There is a necessary English language, so you need English language because if you want to business one state to another state, there English is a very necessary.
That's very nice. If you want to start your business, then you need to the English language because without English language, you cannot know what is the process of the business. And also you are saying that without English language, we cannot survive our life. Without English language, we cannot earn much money. Without English language, we cannot join any company. Guys, I want to say to you, without English language, we cannot survive our life with easy way. Because if you are earning small money, poor money, then you cannot survive our life. You cannot complete your desire without money. So guys, you need to the English language because if you are going to do job any companies, that time interviewer ask every question in English language, and also you have to face interviewer ask many type of questions just like this. What's your name? Where are you from? Why do you want to work in my company? Why should I hire you? How much money you want? This type of question they will ask to you. So you have to face a lot of problem.
Yeah.
So guys, without English language we cannot survive, we cannot join any company. And you know that if you want to work in a MNC company, multinational company, that time you need to the English language, because without English language you cannot join a MNC company, because in MNC company every person and people speak every single words or single sentence in English language. That time you need to the English language. And second thing is that if you want to visit any other country, that time you also need to the English language, because without English language you cannot visit any other country, you cannot talk with any persons in Hindi language. If you are talking in Hindi language, so they will not able to understand what you are speaking here. So that time you have to face a lot of problems while speaking English language. So guys, I will tell you, English is a very essential language in student life. Not only student life, but also every person should learn the English language, because without English we are nothing. If we have knowledge of the English language, then we can know what is the process of the earning money, we can know what is the process of survive our life. Guys, first of all I will tell you, please try to learn the English language. And so Nitish, I want to say to you, nowadays you are learning English. So I also want to learn English. I also want to speak English just like you. So how should we start our English language from basic? First of all, what we have to read from basic?
Yes, if you want to learn English better and good way, then you first of all things is you learn word power.
Yeah.
It is the most important things for beginners who started English learning. So I recommend it to all of you. Please try to learn word power. Word power is the very crucial role in English learner.
Yeah, that's very nice. And he's saying that without word power we can't speak any single sentence of the English language. Guys, you know that word power is a pillar of the English language, because without word powers, without vocabularies, you cannot speak any single word of the English language. If you want to throw your thoughts, your ideas in English language, then first of all you have to learn, you have to know, you have to collect the vocabularies knowledge, and after that you will able to speak whatever you want. Okay, so Nitish, I want to ask other questions. Nowadays you are also learning computer.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what is the importance of the computer?
Computer is a very crucial role in our life, because computer help us every kind of situation. A computer, if you want to do any kind of things, you need a very time, but it's with help of computer you doing your work in minimum time.
Okay, that's very nice. He's saying that by the computer we can done our work with easiest way in a minimum time. Guys, you know, computer means what? It's a electronic machine, it's a electronic gadgets, and by the computer you can done your work easiest way in minimum time with accuracy. Guys, if you are a user of the computer, so please try to use a positive way, because computer is a alluring gadgets, it's a electronic gadgets, and by which you can also spoil our life, and by which you can also make good our life. So guys, I want to say to you, computer is one of the best computer skills is one of the best skills by which you can give a direction of your life. So Nitish, if you have any questions, so please ask me.
Yeah, of course. So mobile is good or bad?
It's depend on the person. So I would like to suggest you. I would like to give answer of your questions. It is depend on the person's mobile good or bad. It's depend on your thoughts, your mentality, because you know that mobile is only gadgets, and it's depend on me. How am I using the mobile? If I'm using mobile right way, then it's right, and if I'm using mobile wrong way, then it's wrong. So first of all, I will tell you what is there. You know that there are two things of mobile, just like this. First is advantage and second is disadvantage. So first of all, I will tell you what is the advantage of the mobile, and after that I will tell you what is the disadvantage of mobile. You know that nowadays every students, every persons are using mobile very high way. And you know that nowadays students are joining every online classes. Also they are attending online classes. They are also studying with online. So also they are knowing the what is the value of the study education. So they are using mobile right way. But nowadays you have seen the there are lots of persons are available, students are available. They are using mobile wrong way because they have no idea how to use mobile right way. They have no idea. They have no any direction. They have no any guider to tell the how to use mobile right way. They are using mobile a wrong way. They are playing a bad songs, vulgar song. They are also watching vulgar movies, vulgar song. So it's also bad. And in now in this generation you will find lots of persons are using mobile a wrong way. They are using whole day, whole night, and also they are spoiling our eyes by the mobile. So it's depend on the person how you are using. How you are using right way or wrong way. Mobile is a alluring gadget. It's not saying use me, use me. It's not saying.
Yeah.
It is depend on us how we are using, we are purchasing, we are using, we are purchasing, we are using. It is depend on the persons.
Thank you, sir. Your opinion is a very good. It is a very helpful for me. Sir, I want to ask you one question. Can I
Okay.
ask?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, in our life, many challenges and many problems come. But sir, how we handle it? Can you tell something, some word to help me to facing any kind of challenges in our
In our life. So guys, first of all, I will tell you what is the definition of the life. Life is full of struggle because without struggle we cannot survive our life. You cannot live our life. In student life, we all persons, we all students are facing the challenges just like we have to crack the exams, we have to crack the mid-term exams, we have to done our works, it's like syllabus, we have to study in schools, we have to complete our work. It's also challenge for the persons, but I will tell you to crack the exams, to face the challenges, first of all we need to the guider, because without guider, without leader, we cannot survive our life, we cannot face any challenge. Who is our guider? Teacher. You know, teacher is a part of our life, because by the teacher we can face every challenges, we can crack every exam, so we can face every problem only by the teacher. You know, teacher is like God for us, who help us getting a good quality of education from the institutions, and also they are removing our fearness, doubts, and also embarrassment. So Nitish, I will tell you, if you want to face the challenges and if you want to crack any examination, so we have to not take tension. First of all, we have to work with the mind, because if you are working with your mind, then you will able to done your work. And if you are not working your mind, if you are doing any work in very quickly, then you will fail in your life. So Nitish, I will tell you, if you want to crack any examinations, if you want to face any challenges, if you want to do any extra things, then first of all you have to take the advice of the leader. Leader means what? A teacher. And after you should do whatever you want. Okay, so guys, if you found this video is very helpful, so please like, share and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notification. We'll meet you in other video with Nitish. Till then, bye bye.
Bye.